Welcome to the world of Kada Intensive, the groundbreaking mild organic citrus cleaner. Engineered to combat even the most stubborn dirt and grime, Kada Intensive unveils a new level of clean. Its citrus-based formula leaves hard surfaces spotless and invigorated. Crafted with carefully select ingredients, it outperforms ordinary cleaners while keeping the environment in mind. Gentle yet potent, Intensive promises a safe, pleasant clean, leaving a delightful aroma. Witness Intensive's transformative power as it effortlessly banishes tough contamination and grease from hard surfaces. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, let Kada Intensive restore the sparkle you've been missing. By experiencing the power of citrus with Kada Intensive, you're able to witness the solution to your cleaning woes. Using citrus-based ingredients symbolizes the core ingredient of our product. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a revolution in cleanliness. Each spray is a testament to nature's potency, harnessed and bottled for your convenience. Kada Intensive isn't just about eradicating dirt, so just unleash a new level of clean today. Embrace the citrus revolution. Let Kada Intensive redefine your cleaning routine.